Dear parents and students, welcome to this session that will help you to log in into ThinkCentral student account. We had received concerns from the parents about logging into ThinkCentral. There are two scenarios that we can talk about. The second scenario where the link will directly lead you to a login ID and user ID and password page, which is easy. Like you can directly enter your user ID and password and you can log it into your account. Anyways, this video will explain to you how to log in into the ThinkCentral website if you find a page similar to the one that you are seeing on the screen. If you see a screen like this and you have multiple options, all that you need to do is choose United States. I know most of you would have chosen United Arab Emirates, but ThinkCentral Central Library is in the US and we follow the US Common Core standards. So the country is United States, and then please select the state as District of Columbia, and then select the district as all prints with 5 zeros, which is the pin code, right? And wait for a while because the system will be loading up all the school's data. Sometimes it will not work immediately, it will take a while. Once you select school, if you scroll down, you will be able to see Alain American School Alain and choose the school. And do not forget to check the box which says remember my school, because you will not have to do this process again and again if you check that box. Now here, after doing these 4 steps, all that you need to do is the teacher of your child should have shared with you the user ID and password for the login of the student account. Take in the student ID of your child, which is already shared with you. Please make sure that it is in the same way as it is shared by the teacher, and the password for all the accounts is simply W capital, which is uppercase W, welcome 1. There's one number at the last, which is 1, and you type in these details. It will take you through the account and you will be easily able to log in. And save the user ID and password in the computer. If you once save it, it will never ask you for entering user ID and password because that's your personal computer. Once you log in into your account, you will see this page with 3 different categories. The first one is things to do, which means all the assignments, homeworks, tests will be in this area. On the right side top, if you see, you can see my library, which is a source of all the resources that are available for the child from the teacher. And the third category is my scores, which we will be discussing in another video. For now, I'll limit this video to things to do. When you get into things to do, you click on that page, you will be able to see all the assignments and the due dates assigned by the teacher. And if you click on that assignment, you will be able to see that this homework should be done. It is that easy. Hope you will all be able to log into the account. If you have any concerns, you can still contact the teacher and we are ready to help you. Thank you. Welcome again. Now this is the second scenario we spoke about, in which it is easy for you to log in. It will not ask you for any details. It will just ask you for a username and a password. So what I do is I copy paste my username and I enter the password as we said. It's welcome, W capital, followed by 1. No special characters, nothing. It's only simply 1, and you log in. And now you'll be able to find the same page that you did in the last video, right? And once you log in, We discussed about how to find the assignments given by the teacher. Now let's discuss about My Library. What is My Library? My Library is a place where the child can get the resources of the subjects which are allowed by the teacher in his subject column. On the left side, if you see, you have mathematics, you have reading, science, and download center. A special mention about the download center is where the child can actually download the resource as a PDF copy. So you can see reading, these are the English resources. You have science, these are the science resources, and you have math, you have the math resources. So this is all about Think Central. It's a very easy to use platform. As I said, if you still have any concerns, you can reach back to the teacher and the technical team is ready to help you out. Thank you very much.